So if anybody knows, I'm curious why the Johnny Lightning Ecto 1A in this package is like a blue. I've seen other people have them on in a package that's white, but never have I seen a blue Ecto 1. See that it's stamped also 2010. It says they only made 17,500. Package has got all damage though. Just got it for less than 15. Got the 2010 edition. A little bit cheaper. Paid half that price at a flea market. A little less than half. It's like $5 actually. Got this one with it. Jetsons and The Simpsons, which my kid opened. Anyways, if anybody knows more about this guy right here, please post in the thread and let me know.